a lot of people over the winter months are going to do some home improvements or plan to do some home improvements. And you might be wondering, so, Bob, which are better? Well, so I'm going to give you two options. You pick which one's better. All right? You got the premise? Here we go. Which high-end addition has a better return? A bathroom or main bedroom? So again, which high-end addition to your home has a better return, a bathroom or a main bedroom? And I'll go around the horn here. Brad, quick answers. Bathroom. Chuck?
I'm hoping bathroom because I just had one put in.
Good. Greg?
I'm going to go against the grain and say it depends on what you spend. So if I can flip my bedroom with some paint and get better return than maybe somebody who doesn't like my changes in the bathroom, I may be taking good chance with that.
So you're saying bedroom.
I'm saying I know what the report says, but I'm taking umbrance to it, and I'm saying it depends on if you spend $40,000 on a bathroom, you may not get $40,000.
It's only a 30-minute show. The answer is bathroom. On average, homeowners recoup 52% of the cost of addition of a high-end bathroom compared, Greg, to 46% of the cost for an upscale. See,
but that's my point. We're splitting hairs. There, what was 6% difference? If I spent $500 on my bedroom, is money. That, and I spent $30,000 on a bathroom.
30-minute show. Remember, 30-minute show. We move forward. Which replacement gets you a bigger bang for your buck? Windows in your home or garage door? Let's start with Chuck. Your answer, please.
Oh, a bigger bang for my buck. Well, with windows, I've got better insulation qualities, but they're like 20 times more expensive than a garage door.
And general maintenance.
Okay, again, I remind you, 30-minute show, and we're running out of time, Chuck.
I don't know. Let's say windows.
Windows. Brad?
Garage door.
Greg?
Garage on the same, it's cheaper.
All right. The answer is a garage door. Whether vinyl or wood, windows are expensive. Very good, Chuck. To replace, and they don't typically hold their value. On the flip side, an upscale garage door costs around $4,000, and the average resale value, thanks to what we're dealing with in our industry, is $3,770. That's a 90% return. All right, we have time for one more question, I hope. Which mid-range, now this is not a complete teardown or a complete remodel, it's a mid-range remodel, is a better return on investment? If you remodel the kitchen or you remodel the bathroom? Let's start with Greg.
I'll go bathroom again because it's the smaller expense of the two.
Okay. Brad?
I'm going kitchen.
And Chuck?
Kitchen.
All right, so we have a definite difference of opinion here. The answer, excuse me, is bathroom. Kitchens may be the heart of the home, but bathrooms are better for your wallet. While they're very close, a mid-range bathroom remodel typically offers about a 59% return on your investment, while you recoup about 56% of the costs associated with a mid-range kitchen redo. Note that a mid-range kitchen remodel typically costs much more overall compared to a mid-range bathroom. The national average cost in 2022 for a kitchen mid-range, $80,800, while the bathroom is $27,000. So what does this actually mean? So if you're going to do improvements to your house, think about the end result, folks. Think about, like Chuck just put in a bathroom upgrade, because what you're looking at first is your enjoyment. You are going to love coming home to having the bathroom.
How long are you going to live in it and enjoy it?
But even more important, in the back of your mind, think about the fact that eventually, sooner or later, you're going to sell this house, and an upgraded bathroom, then kitchen, and then bedroom, and then garage door and windows. All of this helps to sell your home faster. And just remember, one of the bigger problems is finding a reputable company to do the work. Because right now, if you call, they may not be able to get you on the schedule for 6 months to a year to get this work done. So what we've talked about in this half of the show is, first, thinking about doing improvements. And I didn't know, Chuck, that you did your bathroom upgrade. Were you happy with everybody who did the upgrade for you?
Oh, absolutely.
So then now you've got the enjoyment, and I know you've recently moved into the
best shower ever.
Best shower ever. Did you get a body washer in there as well?
Yes, indeed.
Now, I haven't been to his house, but I would just
With
think
the spinning brushes, Chuck?
Uh,
that-
Full body wax?
yeah, that's a car wash.
Oh,
Just so you know.
sorry.
Yeah, that would be
That's
considered.
undercarriage special. You know, you got to pay extra for that.
But I will tell you, when you go, because I hope that you do go to Chuck for closings, you will not only see a cleaner Chuck Crosby, but a smiling Chuck Crosby, which he did before, but now it's even a bigger smile. We are out of time, and my thanks to our team here, Chuck Crosby, the Crosby Law Offices, 499-6360, great guy and clean as well. And Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service, 844-411-TEAM. They do a phenomenal job coming in, and they get in, they get out, they get you a typed report with pictures embedded. It's phenomenal.
And
It's
Brad's
great.
also very clean.
And he's very clean, yeah. And then my son Greg, who does our marketing, photography, so much more.
Not so clean.
Not so clean, but if you are thinking about selling, please don't hesitate. Give me a call. I'd love to help you, and at least plan it, even if it's years down the road. If you're looking to buy, we've got 12 buyer agents ready to help you. And if you want more information about helping you get your home on the market, we've got a free, no obligation booklet. It has hundreds of useful tips. It's a copy that we send by email. Send me an email, bob@wesellouisville.com. Put selling tips in the subject line, and I will send it out to you. Or you can call me at 376-5483. We're out of time. Thank you guys here. Thank you all for listening. We'll see you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.